This will be good. Good morning, afternoon, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. Let's talk about
your car's extended warranty.
Sales. Every week on NGMI, we take something that we learned during the week and make it into a lesson that everyone can learn from together. The power of community, baby. You should join our Discord. So one thing that we've been struggling with, if you've been following along on this series, is that we don't have enough sales. That's right. Our lead flow sucks. We just don't get new inquiries coming into the business as often as I would like to, and that means that our revenues are not where I would like them to be. Now this is an interesting and unique problem to have for accounting companies because the standard for accounting businesses is that you are an accountant that works at a firm and you decide to go off on your own, so you buy yourself out of the firm, you take clients with you, and voila, you're automatically profitable. Or you're hyper niched and you know exactly the people you need to target and you know already the relationships that you can leverage to build a profitable book of business. We are neither of those situations, and so we're having a hard time getting more sales, even though there's so much work in the accounting industry right now. So how do you capture new people coming into the business? There are a lot of ways to generate sales and generate leads. You could clone your current clients. You could abduct. There's digital marketing, there's referral marketing, there's partnerships, there's email marketing, paid per-click marketing, there's billboards, there's flyers, there's business cards, there's the fishbowl at your local bar that, you drop your business card in and then eventually they raffle off, free food or drinks or whatever. I wonder if that's a thing that still happens. Actually, that might be pretty effective. But what I want to talk about today is creating a sales force. Not like the company that owns San Francisco, a force of people who are selling for you. Most bigger companies have a sales team that they work with. One that goes through leads, calls people, and schedules appointments to sell services or products to them. Salespeople are like the Sherpas of the buying journey. They guide people through to purchasing the product, and it takes a lot of convincing and coaxing and bribing sometimes in order to get people from just knowing a little bit about the company to be fully bought in. But for most small businesses, it's absolutely out of the question to go and hire a whole team of people to handle your sales. I mean, that's ridiculous and expensive. And, you might not need it. So one of the most effective ways of selling or creating new sales that I've found to be true is actually replicating one salesperson in many other sources. What? Huh? What does that mean? Find someone who is already working with the clients you want to work with, and then simply have them sell you alongside of their services.
Like a little partnership.
There are companies out there who are working with your customers already. All you have to do is find those companies, convince them that it's beneficial for you to also work with the customer, and then they have an opportunity to sell you. You can pay them a referral fee. You can give them a discount on your product if they sell it to their customer. You can actually just provide value directly to that referral partner and make their lives easier. Find these groups and then work with them to provide a solution that's beneficial for both them as well as the customer in question. The way that we've been able to do this specifically is by finding 2 or 3 different service providers that are also targeting the same customers that we are. Since we're bookkeepers, we do this with tax professionals and financial advisors. We find people who are already working on the tax side of things that we don't touch, and we say, hey, I can make your life easier by providing better data, less stressful interactions with your clients, and more accurate information so that you can do a better job on the taxes, the client makes more money, you get to bill more, there's so much benefit provided to them. Because these people are already working with the clients that we want to work with, it makes it a lot easier for them to just say, hey, go work with Jeremy, he's great. If you can't afford to create a sales force, just go out and find people who are adjacent to the customers that you're already serving. Identify the needs of those service providers and find ways that you can help them. Create meaningful relationships and then sell through them. It doesn't just have to be you. Isn't that wonderful? Every week on NGMI, we take something that we learned during the week and make it into a lesson that everyone can learn from together. Today, it's absolutely out of the question. This is not where I would like to be.